Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wild Documentary by Vinod. I am here today with a new documentary. In this video, I will share my observation and experience with you. So, let's get started. This is a deciduous forest. This forest consists mainly of Shorea robusta, also called the sal trees. This forest look lush green during the summer and the monsoons. The summers in the forest witness the birth of a beautiful bird with a extra long tail. It is the breeding season of Indian paradise flycatcher. The paradise flycatcher are small bird around 18 to 21 centimeters. Male have a massively elongated pair of middle tail feathers. These tail streamers are 19 to 20 centimeters long in the male. The tail of the female does not grow. That is why it is advantage to mark them. They are very restless and make a lot of noise. They make their nest at height of 5 to 30 feet from ground. It takes 9 to 12 days to build their nest. The nest of flycatcher is mostly made the roots compact with leaves and cobwebs. The nests are mostly made by the females. Paradise flycatcher are monogamous birds. Their breeding season is from March to July. If there are any disturbance during the construction of nest, they leave it immediately. They can lay 3 to 5 eggs at nest. The eggs color are pale creamy pink with reddish brown. Males and females both take equal care of the nest and the babies turn by turn. As the female goes, the male returns. They take turns in the nest to incubate the eggs. The females are more active than males. She keeps an eye in the surrounding while sitting in the nest. As for the males, they decided to take a nap. The incubation period goes on, and most their activities like sleeping and breeding is done on the nest. The incubation period is 14 to 16 days. Days passes, their bond increases with their work. Babies are born now. The pair now have to feed them with small insects. The babies still need their mother's warmth. The pair ensure that the babies are given food in every short interval, and both of them sits on the nets over them for the warmth. As they get bigger, their hunger increases. The male comes to the feed babies. After he is done, he goes for the search again. Then the mother comes to the feed. This process continues till the babies are big enough to search their own food. After eating for so many times a day, the babies cannot digest certain part of food. The parts are vomited out by the babies and then carried away by the parents to keep the nest clean and avoid predators. The babies will soon grow into big ones with blessing of Mother Nature. As the babies are growing, they still need to be protected from the rain. When the parents send shower, the guard their nest fulfill their feathers, thus spreading their wings protect to young ones. The babies become ready to come out of nest 21 to 23 days. The feeding process continues till the babies are big enough to search their own food. Nature will thrive with its own beauty. Thanks to Mother of Nature. Thanks to nature for giving us such a beautiful birds. Please save birds, save wildlife. Thank you.